Class 10th Geography, Chapter Transport. This is the fourth part of this chapter. In this chapter, we will study about waterways. Importance of waterways. Waterways are the cheapest mode of transport, especially in India. It is a fuel-efficient and environment-friendly mode of transport. They are most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. Advantages of water transport. Less maintenance cost. Maintenance cost of water transport is quite less as compared to rail and road transport. It is cheap. Water transport is much cheaper as compared to rail, road or airways. Useful for bulky goods. Heavy and bulky goods can be transported easily at little cost through water transport. Helpful in defense. Development of shipping is essential for the defense of the country. It is also called second line of defense. There is lesser pollution in water transport. Disadvantages of water transport. Slow speed. It is a slow means of transport. Failure of common results into fall in water level of rivers, making navigation difficult. More risky. Water transport is more risky as compared to other means because there is always danger of sinking ships or boats. In most of the rivers in India, floods are caused during rainy season when water current is so torrential that it becomes difficult to ply boats. Rivers of South India flow in rocky areas. Hence, they are not fit for plying boats. Diversion of river water for irrigation purposes has also reduced the importance of inland water transport. The deforestation of hill ranges leading to erosion and settling have also been responsible for the decline in water transport. Coastal shipping. Coastal shipping is one of the most important aspects of Indian transport network. It is most economical in fuel saving and environment friendly. It involves the movement of goods and passengers from one port to another port within the country. Despite all facilities, the importance of inland waterways has declined. It is because road and rail transports have developed considerably. River transport has been diverted for the purpose of irrigation. Deforestation of hill slopes has led to erosion and silting of rivers. The transport is not as fast as airways or railways. Problems of inland waterways. The rivers of the peninsular India are not navigable as they have very little water in the hot season. They are dependent on monsoon for their water supply. On the western coast in Kerala, the backwaters serve as means of navigation. These waterways are used by local boats for transporting goods like spices, coconuts, raw rubber, pepper and cashew nuts and other products. Advantages of coastal shipping. It is environment friendly. It saves fuel as compared to railways and airways. Hence, it is the cheapest mode of transport. Many coastal industries such as fisheries is dependent on coastal shipping. Coastal shipping reduces the burden on rail and road transport systems. It helps in providing employment to thousands of people. It promotes tourism. Its capital investment is much less as compared to other modes of transport. Here ends this chapter.